Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to control who can see your last seen on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and after that go settings and click on it on the bottom of the screen, and after that go to privacy and settings. Scroll down until you find this option last seen and online. Click on it, and as you can see here you have three options that you can choose from for who can see your last seen on Telegram. So you can give that like option to everybody, or to only your contacts, or to nobody. So also you can hide your read time by activating this option, and like that you will hide your read time. And I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.